The impact of the transatlantic slave trade on Igbo people, a painful legacy of loss and resilience. Welcome to the story of the transatlantic slave trade's devastating impact on the Igbo people. This painful chapter in human history forever changed the course of Igbo civilization. From the 15th to 19th centuries, a dark chapter in human history unfolded. Millions of Igbo people, known for their rich culture and strong community bonds, were forcibly taken from their homeland. They were captured, sold into slavery, and subjected to unimaginable horrors. These captives were transported across the Atlantic in brutal conditions, packed tightly into slave ships where many perished due to disease, malnutrition, and abuse. The journey, known as the Middle Passage, was a harrowing ordeal. The Igbo were specifically targeted for their strength, skills, and cultural resilience. Despite the oppression, they managed to preserve aspects of their heritage, which influenced the cultures of the Americas profoundly. The transatlantic slave trade ravaged Igbo communities, tearing apart families and disrupting the very fabric of their society. Entire generations were uprooted, leading to a profound and lasting impact on their social structures. Cultural practices that had been passed down through centuries were abruptly halted. The economic systems that sustained these communities were dismantled, leaving them vulnerable and impoverished. The Igbo language, a vital part of their identity, along with their rich traditions and customs, faced severe suppression. The vibrant cultural artifacts that once symbolized their heritage were either destroyed or lost, leading to a profound loss of cultural identity. This erasure of cultural heritage has had lasting effects not just on the Igbo people, but on the global understanding of their history and contributions. Despite unimaginable suffering and the brutal conditions of enslavement, the Igbo people preserved their rich cultural heritage through storytelling, music, and art. These traditions were not just forms of expression, but also acts of resistance and survival. Today, Igbo descendants worldwide continue to reclaim and celebrate their heritage. They engage in cultural revival events, reconnecting with their roots and honoring the legacy of their ancestors. Through community gatherings, educational programs, and cultural festivals, they celebrate their ancestors' strength and resilience, ensuring that the Igbo spirit remains vibrant and influential in the modern world. The transatlantic slave trade's impact on Igbo people serves as a poignant reminder of human history's complexities. We honor the memories of our ancestors by preserving our cultural legacy. Learn more about Igbo history, support cultural preservation initiatives.